Start the class. Wait. So students, as as I explained in the previous, my screen, the laptop screen is visible or not? Screen is visible.
Visible, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Okay, students. As I explained in the previous class, the conversion. Whose voice is coming? Background voice is coming. It's very irritating me. You all mute yourself.
Sir, what?
Mute yourself. Okay, let me do.
Sir, muted.
Muted. Okay. So who who is just writing on the screen? Do not write anything on the screen. I'm just who is
Don't know, sir.
okay. So students, let me do one thing for you. And basically, uh, in today's class, I will discuss how you can convert your. That means I explained till decimal. That means conversion of decimal to binary and binary to decimal. And also I explained conversion of decimal to octal. Today I will convert octal to decimal. Suppose I have number this one, uh, 2 3. So I have this number 2 3, and you know that this will keep the base 8 if it is octal number 8, and I need to convert this number to decimal number. This will contain the.
Sir, you type because this type very much messily writing and can't understand.
Students, for typing it will take time. Just see. Do not. It will not take any time. See. So again, I'm writing the question 2 3. This is an octal number. So you will write 8 equal to, you must write here the answer in the decimal number. So students, for doing this, we need to have some, let me do, wait, I'm inserting one table. I'm sorry, not inserting because I'm converting octal to decimal. So 2 3. So first, as I said to you, you will start from right side. So when you will start from right side, it will give number 3. Then multiply this, because this is an octal number, so you will multiply it by 8. So 8, and the power will start from 0. Okay, so 0, that means this one. Okay, then plus, you will, the next number
Sir,
is.
once more say.
Okay, so basically this is an octal number. If it will be binary, then you will multiply by 2 per 2 power, and the power will start from 0. So this is an octal number. So
How
the,
it came there 3?
not 3, students, you know that the, I will teach the numbers binary, octal, hexadecimal. Okay, so there is nothing like 3. Okay, so student, 3 multiply 8 power 0, then next number is 2. 2 multiply, then what come? 8 power 1. Is it clear?
How?
Is it clear?
No, sir.
Listen, see this number. This is an octal number. So octal number is having base 8. So that means we will multiply this, the we will start from the right side. At the right side, the first number is 3. So 3 multiply 8, 8, and the power will, what? 3 multiply, and the power is start from 0. So 3 multiply,
Yes.
3 multiply 8 power 0 plus What is the next number? 2. 2 multiply, then what 8 power, the power will increase, so after 0 there will be 1.
1.
Okay.
Yes, now understand.
So next tell me the answer if I calculate this one. So student, as you know student,
16 is
okay,
16
so
plus 23.
16 plus
24.
not 24 student. You know that if if any
Yes,
number,
yes.
if any number is having power 0, then its value is 1. So 8 power
1, yes.
8 power 0 1. So 3 multiply 1. What is the number? 1. So sorry
1.
3. 3 multiply 1. This will be 3. Okay. I think you are getting.
Yes.
So next one is
So,
equal to
19.
19. The answer will be
19.
so you can write the answer 19. So can you convert this? That means let me show you this 19. 19 is a decimal number. So
Yes.
decimal, can you convert this decimal number to octal number?
How? Yes.
How?
Yes. 1 minute.
The way of
I will convert.
the way of converting I will tell you. This is very easy. Let me take this pencil.
Sir,
Yes.
sir,
Yes.
you send the recording in group.
I send regularly, student. Do not worry. I send. Okay. So students, how you will do? Just you make this one, and
Yes.
you will make this one, and you will write
Like
19, and you multiply, divide it by 8, not by 2, because this is an octal number. So how much time it goes? It goes 2 times. And what is the remainder remains?
1.
1?
No, 0.
3. 3. Remainder will be 3. So 3 will be written over here. Next one.
How?
It is divided by 8. So you know that if you divide a smaller number, then it goes to which time? 0 time. And the remainder will be same. The remainder will be same. Do you know this thing? I yesterday in previous class I explained this one. Listen. If you were absent, then I'm telling once again. If you divide a number which is smaller than this number, then it goes to 0 time, and the same number will be remainder. Listen, if you divide a number which is smaller than, then it goes to 0 time, and the same number will goes in the remainder part. So if you divide 2 by 8, then 2 is less than 8, so it will goes to how many times? 0 times, and it is giving remainder 2. Right now it is clear.
Yes.
So you will write the answer in the reverse direction.
23, sir.
So answer will be
8.
23. What will be the answer?
23 power 8.
Power 8, not 8. Base 8. Base 8. This is base.
Sorry, base.
Right now is it clear?
Yes.
Right now everything is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, students. So next question, I'm taking the next question. Wait.
Sir, all numbers is but hexadecimal not explained.
Okay, let me explain the hexadecimal numbers came. Wait. Okay, so let me take hexadecimal. Suppose, let me basically, a hexadecimal is a number which is having power 16. Listen very carefully. A hexadecimal is a number which is having that means which is having base 16. What is base? 16. So it is made by 16 digit. How many digits? 16 digits. So count 0, 1, 2. Count on your finger. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So did you count? It is 16 digit.
Yes.
So it is made by 0 to 15. So let me give a very important thing. That means uh, how basically 10 is represented in hexadecimal A. Okay. 11
Yes.
11 is represented in hexadecimal B. 12 is represented by hexadecimal C. 13 D.
D.
14
14
E. 15
E. 15 F.
F. Very nice. Very nice. So students, if I have a number like this one, 1, 2, 3, base 10, and I have to convert this number to hexadecimal, then how we will convert this? How we will convert this? Today we will study this. Okay. So it's very simple, students. When you were converting your decimal number to binary, then what you do? Then what you do, students? Students, can you tell me?
What, sir?
If you convert your yes, please.
So what question?
If you were converting, listen, if you were converting your hexadecimal decimal to binary, then what is the process of converting decimal to hexadecimal?
Like how sir, we converted decimal into binary.
How?
First, we will make the column.
Okay.
Sir, by dividing it.
Okay.
Yes.
Right. I think you got the concept. So in the same way, student, you will do these also. How you will do?
LCM.
How you will do, students, in converting decimal to binary? You will, listen, in converting decimal to binary, you were dividing the number by 2, but you are converting to hexadecimal, so you will divide it by how much number? Tell me, who can tell the answer? Very nice. You will divide that number by 16.
10.
So you will write here 1, sorry,
3.
2 and 3.
3.
So divide it. 16, how many times it goes?
1 minute. 16.
I think it goes 7 times.
100.
It goes, sir, it goes 7 times and 112 is the answer.
And how many remainders remains?
So 1 minute.
How many remainders remains? I think 11.
Sir, 11 reminder and 112 answers.
Okay.
Okay.
Very nice. Then again, you divide this 7 by 16. What happened? This 7 is less than 16. So how much time it goes? How much
So
time
it becomes 0.
it
Sir,
goes?
sir, it will go 0 times.
And what will be
There
the
will be 7.
what will be the
7.
7? Very nice.
Reminder will be 7.
So answer will be written in the reverse direction.
711.
Answer will be written in reverse direction.
100.
So,
711.
Yes, sir.
but in hexadecimal, you know what you write with 11? What you write with 11?
Base.
B's. What?
Base Base is 16.
No, student. I inform you what you write with 11. That means you write A with 10, 11 with B. Did you remember?
Yes.
So answer will be 7B. What will be the answer?
7D.
And the base will be what is the base?
16.
16. Very nice, students. Very nice.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let me take one more example. Let me one. Okay, let me take it reverse.
Sir, give that time question to do.
Wait. Let me take this in reverse. So
Clear this.
7B. Let me do it. Suppose students, if I want to convert
Sir, what you want?
7B, I'm sorry, 7B, and it is having base 16.
गए
It is having
इमेज
base.
नहीं बा
It
चार
is,
नहीं होत बा
it is having base 16 and to decimal. Then how you will convert?
हम
How you will do?
फर्स्ट इट इज वुड सर
How you will do, student?
Sir, first we will
डिवाइड
first
डिवाइड
we will divide. First
Yes.
we will multiply and add
Very
that.
very nice, very nice. So you will multiply. You will multiply. Okay, nice. So what you will do? What you will write? B is written like 11.
First we will write b into 16 power 0.
Very nice.
Power
And
b into 16 power 0
B is written like 11. So 11
Yes.
11 multiplies 16 power 0.
0
Okay. Next one plus.
plus
Plus then 7 multiply 16 power 1.
power 1
7 multiply 16 power 1. So what will be the answer? Let me do for you.
112
Equal
right sir 112
16
112 multiply 170.
multiply 11
No, yes, 16 power 0 is gives 1. So 11
Yes.
11 multiply 1. That means answer will be 11.
11
So this equal to what will be the number? 123.
and sir base will be 10
And base will be 10. Very nice. So students, I think I have completed. Let me revise your no, let me revise how many topics I have cleared till now. In this chapter I have cleared how to convert binary to decimal, how to convert decimal to binary, how to convert octal to decimal, how to convert decimal to octal, how to convert decimal to hexadecimal, how to convert hexadecimal to decimal. And one more thing I explained all the definition of these octal, binary and decimals also. Is it clear?
yes
So the next topic.
Sir, that definition can you explain again?
Pardon? What?
Definition can you explain again?
yes sir
Basically, you have to go in another class. Time is 12:10. So in the next class,
Yes, sir.
you people will remind me. I will revise it.
okay sir
And only one topic remains: binary subtraction, binary multiplication, and binary addition. So I think, and binary division also remains.
yes
So I hope that in next class this will be completed.
yes sir
So thank you students for joining here. Thank you everyone.
thank you sir
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.